In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover the Google Photos locked folder. First, if your locked folder is still available, the process is straightforward. Open the Google Photos app on your device, or you can simply visit photos.google.com in a web browser. Once the app is open or the website has loaded, it's essential to sign in using the same Google account that you used to create the locked folder. This ensures that you can access all the content that resides within that folder. You should see a familiar interface, and this is where your recovery journey begins. Next, locate and open the locked folder. Depending on your device, you may find it in the main menu or as a dedicated section in the app. Unlocking this folder is crucial as it contains your sensitive media. You'll need to use your device's passcode, Face ID, Touch ID, or another form of screen lock that you have set up. This step is not just about access, it also serves to ensure your privacy. Once unlocked, you will be able to see the photos and videos stored inside. Now that you have access to your locked folder, it's time to select the photos or videos you want to recover. You will see checkboxes or selection tools next to each item. Simply tap or click on the items you wish to restore to your main Google Photos library. This action is significant because it allows you to manage your content actively. Selecting the right items makes sure you only recover what you truly need. After selecting the desired items, look for the Move or Restore option. This is typically located at the bottom of the screen or in a menu. By clicking or tapping on this option, you initiate the process of moving the selected media back to your main library. This step is crucial because it consolidates your photos and videos, making them easily accessible again. Once you complete this action, you will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your changes have been saved. If your locked folder is missing or empty, recovery can be a bit more complicated. First, remember that recovery is only possible if your locked folder was backed up. Start by opening the Google Photos app or navigating to photos.google.com again. Sign in with the same Google account you used. This is important to access any potential backups that may exist. Next, proceed to open your locked folder once more. Check carefully to see if any of your locked items appear there. If they do, congratulations! You can repeat the previous steps to recover them. If the folder is still empty, it's essential to understand the conditions that may lead to this situation. Unfortunately, if the folder was not backed up and you have uninstalled Google Photos, cleared the app's data, performed a factory reset, or lost or replaced your device, the items are permanently deleted. This can be frustrating, but it is important to note that these items do not move to the trash. They are gone for good. To avoid this in the future, enable locked folder backup in Google Photos if this feature is available on your device. This ensures that your important media is protected against device loss or app removal. Taking this precaution will save you a lot of trouble later on and gives you peace of mind knowing your sensitive photos and videos are secure. In summary, recovering your Google Photos locked folder is manageable as long as you follow the right steps and ensure your data is backed up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find your precious memories once again.